News now from Karnataka, where JDS MLA HD Revana has been taken into custody by the SIT that's looking into kidnapping allegations by a woman. It's also probing rape allegations against his son, Prajwal Revana, in the sex videos case. The woman whose son filed the kidnapping against HD Revana and his aide Satish has been traced by the Karnataka police. HD Revana was taken into custody from his father, former Prime Minister Deve Gowda's residence. Now, to recap this story, obscene video clips allegedly involving Prajwal Revana had started making the rounds in Karnataka's Hassan on polling day, leading to his suspension then from the JDS. He left the country the day after polling had taken place, and now in all 3 FIRs have been filed against him, 2 of them alleging rape. Let's just listen into what the law minister said on the arrest.
HD Revana ಅವರನ್ನ ಇವತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ಪೊಲೀಸರು ಬಂಧನ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಕಾನೂನು ತನ್ನ ಕ್ರಮ ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಂಡಿದೆ. Law has taken appropriate course. ಅವರ ವಿರುದ್ಧ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಆಪಾದನೆಗಳ ಹಿನ್ನೆಲೆಯೊಳಗೆ ಏನು ಕೇಸ್ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತು, ಏನು ಕೆಲವು ಪುರಾವೆಗಳು ಲಭ್ಯ ಆಗಿದ್ದು, ಆ ಹಿನ್ನೆಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಬಂಧನ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವರು ಎಲ್ಲೇ ಇರಲಿ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಬಂಧನ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಸೂಕ್ತವಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಜಾರಿಯಲ್ಲಿದೆ. ಸಹಜವಾಗಿ ಅದು ಹೈಕೋರ್ಟ್ನವರು ಅದನ್ನ ರಿಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇವ್ರು ಬಂಧನ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
Well, it's been around 1.5 hours since HD Revana landed at the CID office here, and he is in the custody of the SIT officials. Now, to record this as an arrest, the SIT officials need to produce HD Revana before the magistrate and will also have to do a medical examination of HD Revana. Now, post that, the custodial interrogation will take place. Now, that is going to play a key role in terms of providing different breakthroughs as well as leads in terms of this particular case, because we are talking of 3 FIRs that have been registered, where 2 of them point fingers at HD Revana. One is a sexual harassment case, and the other that we are talking about is a kidnapping case. Now, the kidnapping cases are pretty grave in nature because that becomes a non-bailable section under 364A of the IPC that we are talking of here. And most of them have been talking about, especially the prosecution at the court before the interim bail plea was rejected at the Sessions Court in Bengaluru today. The prosecution was talking about the victim that in this particular case, who was featured in the controversial video as well. And she has been allegedly abducted is what we hear according to that FIR. Now, if this could be the handiwork of HD Revana, then imagine the plight of several of the victims who could play a crucial role in terms of cracking this particular investigation. Now, the interrogation will also look at the whereabouts of his son, Prajwal Revana, because all kinds of channels have been invoked, including the central agency's help that has been sought by the SIT now in terms of issuing a blue corner notice for Mr. Prajwal Revana there. The key question is, when will Prajwal Revana be arrested? When will he return to India? And when will he begin the cooperation with the SIT here?